Hello everyone, welcome back in Cool IT Help. Agenda of this video tutorial. Here we are going to install C and C++ inside NetBeans IDE 11.2. We will set C++ environment inside this NetBeans IDE, then we will run a sample C and C++ program in this video tutorial session. So I have noted down all these important steps that are going to be part of this discussion. So we will start with the step 1. In the step 1 we have to install C plugin inside the NetBeans 11.2. So guys, please follow these steps that I am going to explain right now. So open your NetBeans IDE. This is the NetBeans IDE 11.2 right now in front of you. Okay guys, now we have to go on this tool menu item. After that we have to come here at plugins. Then this plugin window will appear and you will see several tabs available right here, and there are some installed plugin also, but in this installed plugin list you will not find C plugin. You can try one more time by putting some search keywords right here, but we didn't find anything. Now what exactly we have to do? Go to the settings tab and now you will see there's a checkbox option. We have to select it, that is NetBeans 8.2 plugin. After that these plugins will be available. To do that we have to click here on this button, check for the newest. If you are doing the first time, so the plugin will be appear once you click on this button. Now you can check it again. Type C/C++. Okay, now you can see the result. On the left hand side you will find this C plugin. On the right hand side you can see this is the certified plugin and the source is NetBeans portal, and the plugin description is also there. So this plugin is useful for if you are working with the Fortran and assembler, but the name is just given C. And on the left hand side click on this install button and then this window will appear. And you have nothing to do right here, just click next, and this is the terms and agreements. Please accept these and click on this install button. Guys, this plugin will download first and that the installation will be completed. So this will take 2-3 minutes, so we have to wait for that. Okay, now the next window you will see the verify certificate. So I would suggest you can continue. This is the self-sign certificate attached with this plugin, so no worry about that. Please proceed with, and you will find the final installation progress right here. Once complete, finally you will get this message, installation completed successfully, and now the final button is there. Just click on this finish button. Now you can close this window. So we have completed our step 1. Now I'm going back to the agenda notepad. At this place you can see in the second step we are going to download and install MinGW compiler to compile a C and C++ program. The download link given in the description box, so you can get this link from there, and just open your browser and just paste it in the address bar and hit enter. So I'm doing the same step in front of you. This is the address bar and here we go with the link. This is the sourceforge.net download link. So you will get this green button, just click on it to start the downloading of the exe file. Within 5 seconds your downloading will start. You can see on left hand side, and the file name is mingw-get-setup.exe. This is the MinGW installer, and we have to just launch this installer for the installation of MinGW compiler. So this is the exe. Here we go, do the double click, and the final you will see this window. Now click on this install button. And guys, make sure you are going inside this C MinGW folder. Click continue and you will find this window, and there is a progress bar which is running and downloading some packages from the internet. Make sure you are connected with the internet while the installation of this MinGW. You can also notice that there's a processed progress is appearing like 15, 16, 17, 18. On the right hand side you can see the 38 items are total. So downloading is in progress. This will take 5 to 8 minutes, so I am just pausing this video, and then I have just started after finishing all 113 items. You can see the completion percentage is appearing 100. Click next, and finally you will get this window. So this window, we have to select some important packages for the installation. So watch it carefully. So the first one we have to select, this is MinGW developer tool. Do the right click, select mark for the installation. So 2 items will be auto checked. After that we have to do the right click on this, select for the installation MinGW 32 base. Now one more thing, if you are working with the Fortran, then you can proceed with this fourth one, but we are going to run a C++ program, so we have to select MinGW 32 GCC-G++. You can see the description right hand side, GNU C++ compiler. So these 4 items are going to be installed. So go to here in the installation option, click on it, and here we have to select the apply changes option. Click once and again this window will appear, and right here you have to simply click on this apply button, and some downloading progress bar will appear in front of you. This will also take 5 to 6 minutes because it is downloading some additional components that we have selected in the background for the installation. So please wait for the completion of all the packages. Once this is 100%, you will see the final message on the screen. I will show you what kind of message you will see. So I have not recorded all the time. I just moved to the last step. Now I'm showing you that thing. So at final stage you will see these kind of messages that install is in progress and all changes were applied successfully. Click OK, and now you can close it. So guys, we have finished our step 2. Now we are moving towards step 3. In the step 3 we have to set some path variables inside environment variable in your system. So these are the 2 paths we have to set. The process is easy. First we have to go inside the location. So I'm showing you that this is an installation folder of MinGW, and we have bin folder and MSYS folder. Click right PC, this PC, right click, and you will see this window. Click here on this advanced settings. Now startup and recovery section, click here on the environment variables, and again this window will appear. Under this system variables, guys, look for the path variable. Once you find, click on the edit, and on the bottom just click on this blank space, and now we have to give the path up to bin folder. Please note down, we have to give the path up to bin folder. So you can click on this new button as well to create a new entry this way. Okay, so we have added one, and one more is pending. Now we have to go to the MSYS folder, then 1.0, then again we have to go inside the bin, copy this path, and go back here in this environment variable, click new, and again put a new entry right this place. Click OK to save the settings. Now guys, we have finished our set up properly. Now it's time to test it. So in the step 4, we are going to create a C++ program inside this NetBeans IDE. Then we will do a compile and run to test it. Now just launch your NetBeans IDE 11.2 if this is not open. So this is the 11.2 NetBeans IDE in front of you. And now we are going to create a C++ project. Go to the file menu, click on the new project, and this place you will see the category C++. Select this. On the right hand side, select C++ application. Click next. So at this place you can see this is the simple information that we have to put as a project name, project location. If you want to change it, you can change it with the help of this browse button. And there is a project folder location. And the project make file name which is appearing. And one important setting that I will tell you when we go for the run. Okay guys, leave rest the thing as it is, click finish, and you will see some progress bar on the left hand side. And finally the project will be set up on the left hand side, and that can be viewed here on this projects tab. So we have there several folders, but the main file is inside the source files. So you will get a main.cpp file, that is a ready-made file. Now guys, we have to provide some C++ code to test it. So I have just write down a separate small code of the C++ syntax, and I have pasted right here. And now we have to do one important setting. Go to the tools and then select the options, and now here on the C++, click on it, and guys, you will see the make command is empty. At this place we have to provide one entry, otherwise you will get some runtime error. So I will show you what you have to write here. We have to go to the MinGW installation folder, go inside the MSYS 1.0 inside, then go inside the bin, copy this path and go back here in the NetBeans. And guys, what we have to find out, that make.exe must be present at this place. So I am looking for that exe. You can see make.exe is there. Okay, now we can proceed. Come back here and just paste that path and put a backslash and type make.exe. That's it. Now click on this apply to save the settings, and no other change required. Click OK. So everything is saved now. Now guys, once you will save, you will find that whatever the error were appearing on the workspace, that will be gone. Now it's time to clean and build. There is an option for the build, option for clean and build. So you can choose any one. You can first build, you can do it simultaneously, clean build. So I have selected that one. Now some clean build is in progress. Now we will run it. So you can use this green button to run your C application. Here we go. And finally you will see the message hello CoolIT help on this console. So guys, we found that our setup is properly working, and we found the results on this console. So guys, this is the way you can set up your C++ environment inside the NetBeans IDE 11.2. I hope you guys found this tutorial relevant and useful. Please like this tutorial and don't forget to subscribe my channel. And for now, thanks for watching CoolIT Help.